Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of my channel. Today guys, as you can see, we are on our desktop, and guys, today the thing that we'll be doing is really cool and really fantastic. That guys, look, this, check this out guys. What is this? And this is really my desktop. As you can see, Minecraft, YouTube, control panel, Among Us. This is my desktop guys. Okay, and over here we are having a live wallpaper. So guys, this is the exact thing that I'll be telling you guys how to do this. So guys, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you actually have to open your Chrome, and after opening that, the link must be in the description down below. You actually have to go over there. Okay, so guys, the link must be down in the description, and after we are here, we have to go to downloads. So this is a website, and its name is Lively Wallpaper, animated desktop wallpapers. Bring your desktop to life. Lively is a FOSS project. Oh yeah, this was like a description type thing. So guys, now the thing is that guys, when you download this app, the first thing is that this is totally free. Second thing is that guys, you can bring your desktop back to life with the live wallpapers already in it, and you can also browse from your file explorers, and you can bring your own animated or customized or your own wallpapers also over here. So this is a good thing. And guys, the main thing is that you can go on YouTube, and whichever video you like, you can actually copy the link of that, and then you can actually do means like paste the link back over there, and like see that video on your desktop. Okay, so guys, now we are over here and we will be downloading it. So I will download it. I already have it. I don't want to download it. I can just show you guys the old one, so I'll be canceling that. Okay, so we actually have Lively Wallpaper already installed. So guys, yes, I will be doing that. So yeah, when it's installed, you have to run it as administrator. Then it will ask this. You have to click yes when notification pop out, and then you actually have to do okay. Means like I actually have it now, so that's why I cannot do it. But then you actually have to do all of that. You actually have to press it, and means do your own settings. And after it's installed, it's finally downloaded, it will not open, or it can open at some moment. But guys, if you wanna open it, it's simply on your, like, when you will go over here on your taskbar, it's over here. You actually have to right click it and open Lively. And after you have opened it, then guys, you are having much suggestions. So guys, these two, Minecraft Beat and Rage video, these were from, means they were the YouTube videos that I downloaded, and I like them, so that's why I downloaded it. And guys, yeah, check this out. I put on Minecraft Beat, and after putting that on, guys, there will be Minecraft Beat down there. Okay, you know what I'm saying, guys. You know what I'm saying. So guys, and except for that, I really put it on fluid. Okay, so this is also cool. So guys, just like these, we can make many wallpapers, means many live wallpapers over here. And now guys, I'll be telling you how you can add your own wallpaper. So when you will come at the corner of this page, like the left corner over here, left top corner, you will see a plus sign. So you will press it, add wallpapers, and then if you guys have downloaded that a wallpaper, or you guys have created or whatever, if you guys have installed that wallpaper, so you can just browse and bring that wallpaper over here. But if you guys haven't, then yeah, go to YouTube. Like I have kept in this link over here, so if I will do that, this link, whichever videos link is this, it will open. So guys, that is really cool, I must say guys. It means like it could open any video link that you paste over here. So guys, exactly just like this. Look, I have kept the fluid, so that's why it's like this. And if I will like so this is the library. There is are all, so like all of these are all. And we have waves, we have triangles and lights, we have rain, we have the hill. The hill is also cool. It shows the time and like all of that. It is really cool. Okay, and guys, yeah, if this white thing comes on your desktop, don't worry, it will soon change. And look, 10:02 is the time right now. Yes, it is. Tuesday is the day. Yes, it is. January 26, 2021 is the year. Exactly. So yeah guys, look, and this is so cool. It can also bring the blue type, the selector blue type thing of Windows. And guys, look, it's default, means like if like and then there one more thing guys. This is for the people who have some who have some problem understanding the periodic table. Okay guys, so there is a periodic table live wallpaper as well, and as you can see, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, all means like only not these, all, like some are those which I also don't know. They are a lot. Okay guys, so like as you can see, oxygen, and if you click on it, it will give you a full view of it. Okay guys, and whenever you hover on it, it will like just, and then there is a like a links menu bar. So unknown, these are unknown. Noble gases, helium, neon and argon, these are normal. Other non-metal. So just like this, you guys can categorize them as well. You guys can like just, for example, you guys can just wander around on your desktop and learn some periodic table and say yeah, it's fun. And oxygen, nitrogen, you can learn each and every one. And then when you miss ask what is this, then you guys can be like, miss, we know, you don't have to tell. Okay, well don't be like that, but yeah, I was just saying. So guys, that was the end of the video, and if I hope you guys like it, and if you guys don't, then guys, no, please like it guys, because I'm telling you, this will make your desktop come to life. Literally, it will make your desktop come to life. As you can see, my desktop, it's literally alive. So guys, yes, if you guys love this video, which you should be loving, so if you guys love this video, then guys comment that yeah, I love this video, and like, share, so other people can also see, and they can also customize their desktop just like this. And guys, it is really cool guys. Many people wish and they don't get, but still they wish. So guys, you are the one of them, so you are getting this. So guys, subscribe, comment, share, press the bell notification. That is important, because so you guys can never miss any update that I send, and it could also be like related to these things. So guys, that is it for today. Bye.